Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Altima. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your interface here. So first you'll start the vehicle and just take a few minutes for everything to load up. In the meantime, on your phone you want to make sure you have your Bluetooth activated. This blue shows that your Bluetooth's on. And then usually if you hold it, it'll open your Bluetooth menu as well. It looks different for every device, but that's mine. Alright, now everything's booted. Over here in this enter, this will take you to settings, and then you can scroll up and down as needed, but it's on Bluetooth, so you push enter again. And then in this case we're adding a phone. Obviously you can delete, replace phones. Every vehicle has a max number of phones that can be saved, so you might need to delete a phone before you can add one. But we're going to add and push enter.
Add phone. The system is searching for your phone.
So you want to make sure you're in scan mode.
Look for a Bluetooth device called My Car.
So it should take just a moment. It's just most likely going to be that one there though once it loads the name. There we go. It might take 2-3 tries. Sometimes that's just how technology is.
Please confirm the PIN matches
it has this
using
random
the
number.
handset.
So you'll confirm on here, typically on the vehicle as well.
Places 03S.
Alright, so we're all connected. So now you can upload your phone book if you want, make it easier for taking phone calls while driving. You can play music, things like that from your phone onto the car, which is a great feature for sure. And like I said, sometimes it takes a few tries. You might have to restart the car, restart your phone at some point. Also, a lot of various models of cars, you have to be in park for it to let you connect new devices. So if you're having issues, that might be an issue too. You might need to try. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.